Don't you hate when your brush is just full of hair? Wow. Oh my gosh. Shedding. Wow. Multi-talented. ASMR. Fix it, Jesus. Fix it, Jesus.
Yes. It's me again. Yeah. And I'm back.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's your girl Mara Moore. And if you want more, I'll give you more. So in this video, I have achieved this look for you. Your girl is looking cute. Your girl is looking summer-fied, okay? Summer-fied, okay? So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. If you can hear the fan, there's a fan going on because it's hot. It is hotter than Satan's toenails up here, okay? In this video, I'm going to be trying to follow a makeup tutorial, and this is what I found on Instagram. I'll probably put it here or here, and it's like a nice summery vibe, nice orange, you know, a little yellow here. So I'm gonna try and do my best to follow this tutorial and try and achieve the look. So she goes in with, her brows are already done, and she goes in with a base, a light concealer. I don't have that particular concealer, so I'm just gonna go in with this e.l.f. concealer here, and this is in this shade Tan Sand. And what she does is kind of like stipple that in instead of going back and forth and wiping it. Okay, so now that that is done, she goes in with like a burnt orange shade. So the closest thing I have to that is Huda Beauty palette here, and the closest shade that I can find to what she used was Raw, so I'm gonna go in with that. Where did she put that? She puts that on her entire lid. Okay, cool. Then she goes in with an orange. So what I have is the Revolution palette here, and there's the orange that I'm gonna go in with, and she puts that, where does she put that? I guess she just blends that right over the top, so that's what I'm gonna do. Ooh, pick that up nicely. Look at that. Yeah, she takes it all the way up. So next she cuts the crease. Does she cut it all the way, or is it just a half? Okay, so she cuts it halfway. Okay, so she goes in with a yellow, but then she doesn't go like all the way because I think she's gonna use a white on the top of that, which is cool. I mean, it's her tutorial, so there we go. Have you guys had McDonald's? I haven't had McDonald's for the longest, and I feel so much better. Like, now that some places are open, but there might be a further lockdown. McDonald's has been open, but I just don't feel to eat like McDonald's and all that. Like, I just don't need it in my life anymore. Like, you know, I don't need it. Okay, so next she goes in with white. Okay, so there's my white on the top of that. And then what does she do next? She goes in with another orange. Okay, well, I only have that one orange. So I'm just gonna go in with the same orange I used. And what does she do with that? And she just puts that continually on the lid. No, that's cute. I don't care. I don't care what no one says. This look is cute. She goes in with eyeliner. Does a nice wing. And then she puts white under the bottom. White under the bottom. Okay. So that's how I do my eyeliner. I start off with the lines and then I fill it in. Okay, watch when I do the other one now. Completely different shape and everything, I bet. There's the eyeliner on. Eyeliner is on. It's on. I don't have that particular eyeliner that she used under her waterline, so I'm just going to be using this MUA pencil in Snow White. And then she goes in with some nice lashes. I'm going to be going in with these. These look cute. So let me put these lashes on. And she's back. So she goes in with an e.l.f. primer. I don't have that particular primer, but I do have an e.l.f. primer. And this is the Minimal Infused Face Primer. Just gonna rub that in. So as I've primed, I'm actually gonna put some powder on and let that sit on my skin for a little bit with the Laura Mercier powder. I mainly need it for the T-zone, really. Like my T-zone area gets oily the most, but definitely my laugh lines and my nose area. So next she goes in with a L'Oreal Inflammable foundation with a matte cover. I'm going to be going in with the L'Oreal Perfect Match. As I've said, it's not my perfect match, so I might be going in with the Fit Me. And then she goes in with a Fenty concealer. I don't have Fenty. I need Fenty. We're just going to go with the Chestnut concealer from LA Girl Pro. So what I'm actually going to do is use a little bit of the e.l.f. concealer. I know it's light, but trust me. Trust the process, people. Trust the process. And instead of a beauty blender, she uses a brush to blend all of that out. Then she goes in with a liquid contour. I think I'll go in with the LA Girl Pro. So next she goes in with her setting powder, and I'm going to be using, again, the Laura Mercier setting powder. Be using the L'Oreal True Match powder in, what's the name of this? I think it's in Deep. Yeah, Deep Golden. Oh, that's cute. Oh my gosh. Why am I whispering? But wow. 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 Okay, so she goes in with like a shimmery orange. Do I have a shimmer orange? No, I don't. So I think I might just use some gold on the inner corners of my eye. Okay, what does she do next? Then she goes in with there's two oranges that she used on the lids, and she puts that under the waterline. Oh, I'm just looking so cute. I'm just looking so cute. I'm just looking so scrumptious. I'm looking so scrumptious. Ew! Highlight and mascara. Okay. Can't forget the mascara. So then she goes in with a brown lip pencil. Then she dips in with the orange. Okay, so she dips in with the orange eyeshadow and then she puts on a clear lip gloss over top of that. Got it. Oh, that's cute. Boom. Right there, beauty mark. Beauty. She. This is cute. What do you guys think? Like, I feel like I did a pretty good job. Wow. 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 I'm going to be using the Benefit setting spray. Wow. So this is the finished look, you guys. I mean, I'm so proud of myself. Like, okay, I didn't have all of the products that she had, but I mean, I got the job done. I'll let you guys be the judge in the comments. Please be honest. Not too honest. If you enjoyed it, please let me know in the comments. Please give it a thumbs up. Please comment what you thought. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe. Okay? I'm so cute. That is it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And I shall see you in the next one. Bye.